can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just
Don't scroll away just yet. We've got 3 absolutely mind-blowing custom Nissan Kicks builds waiting for you at the end of this video that will completely change how you see this compact crossover. What's up, car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Steel and Style Garage, where we transform ordinary rides into extraordinary machines. Today we're diving deep into the world of Nissan Kicks modifications, and trust me, you've never seen these builds before. The Kicks might be known as a practical daily driver, but we're about to show you how this underrated platform can become everything from a slammed JDM masterpiece to a futuristic concept car.
Every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing.
Make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like if you're ready to be amazed, and drop a comment below telling us which build style you'd choose for your own Kicks. Let's build this Steel and Style family together. We're not just talking theory here. These are real builds with real budgets, real parts, and real results that'll inspire your next project. From affordable weekend modifications to unlimited budget dream builds, we're covering every angle to help you understand what's possible with this underrated crossover platform. So buckle up and get ready for a journey that'll completely change your perspective on what the Nissan Kicks can become with the right vision and execution. Time to get low and aggressive with our first transformation. The JDM stance build that'll make every car meet jealous. This Nissan Kicks rocks a wide body kit with aggressive front and rear fender flares, giving it that signature JDM muscle, while maintaining the crossover's unique silhouette. We're talking air suspension dropped to the ground, sitting on deep dish Graham Lights 57DR wheels wrapped in stretched Toyo Proxys tires for that perfect stance fitment. The front end gets a custom splitter and canards, while the rear sports a massive GT wing and diffuser setup that screams track-ready performance. What really makes this build special is the attention to detail. From the carbon fiber hood with functional vents to the custom side skirts that flow perfectly with the lowered profile, every modification serves both form and function. The interior doesn't get neglected either, featuring a stripped-down race-inspired setup with bucket seats, a roll bar, and gauges that monitor everything from boost pressure to suspension travel. This isn't just about looking good parked at a car show. The aggressive aerodynamics and suspension tuning make this kick surprisingly capable on the track, proving that stance culture and performance can absolutely go hand in hand when done right. Who says you can't put American muscle DNA into a Japanese crossover? This build takes inspiration from classic Detroit iron, featuring a bold racing stripe package in Shelby blue with white accents that runs from nose to tail. Under the hood, we've swapped the factory engine for a turbocharged setup pushing serious horsepower through a custom exhaust system that growls like a proper muscle car. The exterior gets aggressive front and rear bumper treatments with integrated fog lights. and a hood scoop that's not just for show. The real magic happens with the suspension setup. We've lowered it just enough to give it that muscle car stance while keeping it practical for daily driving, and those 19-inch American racing wheels with meaty sidewalls complete the old-school performance vibe. Inside, we've installed classic muscle car cues like a pistol grip shifter, deep bucket seats with racing harnesses, and a custom gauge cluster that pays homage to legendary American performance cars. The attention to authentic muscle car details extends to the sound system, featuring period-correct components that deliver that classic rock and roll soundtrack while you're laying down rubber on the street. European tuning culture brings a refined approach to performance that transforms our kicks into a sophisticated road weapon. This build focuses on subtle yet effective modifications, starting with a carefully tuned suspension setup using Bilstein, coilovers that improve handling without sacrificing ride quality. The exterior modifications are understated but purposeful. A front lip spoiler, side skirts, and rear diffuser in matching body color maintain the OEM plus aesthetic that Euro enthusiasts love. Performance upgrades include a cold air intake, performance, exhaust with quad tips, and ECU tuning that optimizes power delivery and fuel efficiency. What sets this build apart is the attention to interior details. Recaro sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and aluminum pedals create a driver-focused cockpit that enhances the overall driving experience while maintaining daily usability. The Euro approach emphasizes quality over flash, with premium materials like Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber trim pieces, and a minimalist aesthetic that puts function first. Every modification is carefully chosen for its contribution to the overall driving experience, from the precision of the short-throw shifter to the feedback provided by the upgraded suspension components, creating a cohesive package that delivers maximum enjoyment on twisty back roads. Sometimes you want to arrive in style, and this VIP-inspired Kicks build delivers executive presence in spades. We're talking about a complete transformation that elevates this compact crossover into luxury territory with a full chrome delete, tinted windows all around, and a murdered-out color scheme that commands respect. The suspension gets airbags for that perfect drop-on-demand capability, while 20-inch multi-spoke wheels in a deep bronze finish provide the perfect contrast against the dark paint. Interior modifications include premium leather everything: seats, dashboard, door panels, plus ambient lighting and a custom sound system that rivals high-end luxury vehicles. The attention to luxury details really shines through with features like custom floor mats, upgraded interior trim pieces, and even heated and ventilated seats that make every drive feel like a first-class experience. Technology upgrades include multiple LCD screens, a premium sound system with individual seat speakers, and even a rear seat entertainment system that would make a Maybach owner jealous. The VIP treatment extends to practical luxury features like power-adjustable seats with memory settings, automatic climate control with individual zone settings, and storage solutions that keep the cabin organized and sophisticated at all times. When money is no object and creativity knows no bounds, this is what happens to a Nissan Kicks. This build features a completely custom wide-body kit fabricated from carbon fiber, extending the fenders by 6 inches on each side to accommodate massive 22-inch forged wheels that fill the arches perfectly. The engine bay gets a complete overhaul with a twin-turbo V6 swap, custom fabricated intake manifold, and a roll cage that extends into the cabin for both safety and style. Paint is a custom 3-stage pearl with color-shifting properties that changes from deep purple to electric blue depending on the angle and lighting conditions. Every single component has been touched by human hands, from the one-off exhaust system with titanium tips to the completely redesigned interior featuring hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and a custom digital dash that displays every conceivable piece of performance data. The build process took over 2 years and involved artisans from multiple industries, including aerospace engineers for the carbon fiber work, custom electronics specialists for the advanced gauge cluster, and master craftsmen for the interior, leatherwork. This isn't just a modified car. It's a rolling work of art that demonstrates what's possible when skilled builders have unlimited resources and complete creative freedom to push boundaries. Welcome to the future of automotive design, where the Nissan Kicks becomes a rolling technology showcase that previews what we might be driving in 2035. This concept build incorporates cutting-edge materials like carbon nanotube body panels that are 50% lighter than traditional steel, while providing superior strength and crash protection. The exterior features adaptive LED lighting that changes patterns based on driving conditions, active aerodynamics with deployable spoilers and air dams, and electrochromic glass that can switch from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button. The powertrain is a revolutionary hybrid setup combining electric motors with a hydrogen fuel cell, delivering instant torque while producing only water vapor as emissions. What truly sets this futuristic build apart is the integration of AI-driven systems that learn your driving preferences, automatically adjust suspension settings for optimal comfort or performance, and even communicate with other vehicles and traffic infrastructure to optimize route efficiency and safety. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Advanced manufacturing techniques like 3D printing and molecular assembly were used to create components that would be impossible to produce with traditional methods, while the interior features holographic displays, gesture controls, and biometric systems that recognize the driver and automatically adjust every setting to their preferences. This concept represents the convergence of automotive engineering, advanced materials science, and artificial intelligence into a cohesive vision of tomorrow's mobility. Now, here's where you come in. The Steel and Style family makes this channel what it is, and we want to see your Nissan Kicks projects. Whether you're planning a simple cosmetic refresh or dreaming of a complete transformation, drop photos in the comments below and tell us about your build plans. We love featuring subscriber builds in our community spotlight videos, so don't be shy about sharing your work, even if it's still in progress. Maybe you've got a unique modification idea we haven't covered, or perhaps you've discovered a hidden gem of a part that other Kicks owners need to know about. Your feedback and ideas help shape our future content. So let us know which of these build styles caught your attention the most, and if there's a specific modification technique you'd like us to cover in more detail. Remember, the best automotive content comes from real enthusiasts sharing real experiences. We're constantly looking for new project cars to feature, collaboration opportunities with talented builders, and innovative modification approaches that push the boundaries of what's possible. The Steel and Style community extends beyond just this YouTube channel. We're building a network of passionate automotive enthusiasts who support each other's projects, share knowledge, and celebrate the creativity and craftsmanship that makes car culture so special.